Hey friends, this is Kruti Kulkarni. I'm your host for the session. I'm studying second year medical in Navodaya Medical College, Raichur, Karnataka. Okay. By now, I suppose you must have started your journey in meditation, since most of your questions have been cleared by my previous video. If you haven't yet started your journey, please do watch the video and start it as soon as possible. Okay. Most of us must have known this saying by Swami Vivekananda. Fit mind resides in only fit body. You're making your mind fit by meditation, but what about your body? So to make your body fitter, today we'll be discussing about workout. That is, I'll help you plan a schedule to work out. Yeah? Okay. This particular video is subdivided into 5 subunits. First one, I'll be dealing with components of fitness. Secondly, it will be different forms of workout and which component of fitness it will be working upon. Thirdly, what workout does to your body. Fourth, how it affects your mind. Fifth, how to plan a workout. Okay. Coming to the first point, components of fitness. There are totally 9 components of fitness. First one is cardiorespiratory endurance or cardiopulmonary endurance. This is efficiency of your heart or lungs. Secondly, strength. That is how strong you are. Thirdly, it will be flexibility. That is how well your joints have still sustained the mobility. Fourth one will be accuracy. That is the putting in the right amount of force. Fifth one is power. That is putting maximum force that is possible by a person in minimum time. Next one will be speed. That is how fast you are. Next will be balance. That is maintaining the right posture. And then next one will be calories, burning calories. That is having right calories. Then it will be stamina. That is how long you can sustain a prolonged effort. Yeah. So next we'll be dealing about different forms of workout. Okay. It can be walking, jogging, dance, yoga, weight training, cycling, swimming, sports, martial arts or skipping. Now we'll get to know where exactly which component it will be affecting. Cardiorespiratory endurance can be taken care by all of the following, that is all the form of workout that I just listed, but it will be less taken care by weight training and sports. Nextly, stamina. Stamina is mainly taken care by jogging, sports and skipping. Okay. Next, strength. Strength is provided to you by all the forms of workout, but it is less in case of dance and skipping. Nextly, flexibility. Flexibility is mainly given to you by yoga, dance and martial arts. Nextly, speed. Speed is given to you by jogging, sports and skipping. Then accuracy. Accuracy is mainly given to you by sports and martial art. Next, power. Power by weight training and martial arts. Next, balance. Balance, obviously it should be yoga, then also dance and martial art. And burning calories. Burning calories is taken care again by all the forms of workout, but it is not much taken care by dance and martial arts. Okay. The same table will be provided to you. So that it's better you take a screenshot. It will help you further to plan a workout. Okay. Next, coming to what it does to your body. Well, firstly, when you work out for the first day, there will be increase in your heart rate and thus the blood flow, and thus you feel more energetic. For second and third day, you'll have a bit of muscle pain, but then it's better you keep up the motion so that you don't feel the soreness. Next, by the time it is second month, the production of mitochondria increases. And since children, we have been listening to it that mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. So basically your power is increasing. And then you feel more fit by second month. Next, by 6th month, your muscles start to come in shape. And then your exercise becomes your routine. Now you're more addicted to exercise, you can't come back. Okay. And then by 9th month, your VO2 increases by at least 25%. VO2 is the rate at which the oxygen is carried to all the cells of your body. And then next, by 1 year, you become fit. Your bone density increases, and thus the chances of having osteoporosis decreases. And then in long term, the cases of breast and colon cancer decreases. Heart diseases, you won't have heart diseases, arthritis and diabetes type 2, having all these diseases, the chances decreases. Okay, next, coming to what exactly it does to your mind. It helps you relieve anxiety. It helps you because the stress hormones in your body are decreased. It helps you be more happier because there will be release of happy hormones. It decreases depression. It helps you fight insomnia and have a better sleep. It decreases stress level. It increases confidence. Whenever you have a fit body, you are more confident. It increases your self-esteem. It boosts your brain functions because the supply of oxygen increases to your brain, and thus it helps you boost your brain function. Then it helps in overall well-being. Okay, so 4 aspects of the video are covered. Coming to the 5th one, how to plan a workout. There are 4 things that you are supposed to keep in mind whenever you are planning a workout. First one will be the type of workout. Second, it will be intensity. Third one will be volume, and fourth one will be duration. Coming to the type can include the form of exercise or the components of fitness which are acting upon. Second one, coming to the intensity. Intensity can be either scaled up version or scaled down version of a same workout, or the weights you are using. Volume will be the number of repetitions or the total number of sets of an exercise that you are doing. And fourth one, duration. It is the time you are putting in for workout. Okay. My tips over here is, usually there are 3 kinds of people who come into workout. First one, who have their goal is to reduce weight, that is weight loss. Second one will be people who are trying to gain muscles. And then third one will be the people who are trying to have a fit and a healthier body. For the first kind of people, it is recommended that you have more of, that is people who are trying to do weight loss. It is recommended that you more include cardio and strength training. And then that is the type. Coming to the second question, intensity. You need to have less intense. Coming to the number of repetitions or volume, it should be more number of repetitions of less intense. That is, less intense can be scaled down version or less weight. Then fourth one will be time. Time can be, if you are a beginner, you can do it from 30 minutes to 1 hour, and if you are in advanced stage, you can do it for 1 hour to 2 hours. Okay. Coming to the second kind of people who are trying to gain muscles. For you people, it is recommended the type of exercise should be power, that is targeting upon the power kind of component. And then cardio also can help you people. And then intensity should be, you should have to be doing higher intensity workouts, and repetitions should be kept less. High intensity, less reps. And in their case, that is weight loss case, it is more repetitions, less intensity. Okay. Coming to the volume, time, it's again the same. That is 30 minutes to 1 hour for beginner and 1 hour to 2 hour for an advanced person. Next, coming to the normal person, that is, normal in the sense person who is trying to just stay fit and healthier and neither of these 2 goals. Well, you people can do a permutation combination of all the components. And then what you can do is, next, intensity, you can modify it according to your will and wish. You can have a combination of both scaled up and scaled down version. And then next one will be repetitions, that is volume. What you can do is choose a set of 3 to 4 exercises. In these 3 to 4 exercises, you can do a repetition for around 1 minute or 2 minutes of one particular exercise, and do 3 or 4 sets of the same. And then next one will be duration. Duration is same. You need to do for 30 minutes to 1 hour or 1 hour to 2 hours if you are beginner or advanced respectively. Okay, these are certain suggestions. If any queries, you can drop down in the comment box. Hope this video was useful. If it was, please do consider hitting the like button, do subscribe to my channels, share it with your friends and keep supporting. Thank you.